So you want to make some company cards for your business? Well, with the Flux Beamo and Beambox and even the Beambox Pro, it's very easy to do. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design a simple business card and cut it out on your Flux machine. So, as you can see here, we have Adobe Illustrator opened up. You can use any graphic design software you want, but currently I'm using Adobe Illustrator. First, you'll need to draw out your card size. For us, it is around 3.5 inches wide and 1.9 or 2 inches tall. Once you do that, have it on its separate layer, and then you're going to want to type out your text, insert your logo, and as you can see here, our logo is separated into two different colors. You have the black, which is going to be an engraving, and the green, which is going to be a cut. Once everything is separated into its own layers and typed out, all you need to do is select what you want, go to File, Export Selection, and let's name this Card Test. Save it to your desktop and make sure it is saved as an SVG. Export your asset, and then we're done with Adobe Illustrator. After that, you're going to want to open up Beam Studio. Go to Edit, Document Settings, and set this to a Beambox Pro because we are going to be using our Beambox Pro. Set the resolution to high and click Save. With that all out of the way, you need to grab your file, your SVG file, drag and drop it into Beam Studio. Always select color because when we separated the colors in Adobe Illustrator, it will separate them into different layers. So the black will be our engraving, so we can go on and select acrylic engraving, and the green will be the acrylic cutting. We are using 3mm acrylic. The default settings should be fine. Once you're happy with that, select it all and click Array. We're going to type in the number of columns and rows, so let's say 7 columns by 5 rows. For the array interval, you're going to want to look at the width and the height. For us, for the X, that is going to be the width, you're going to want to do it probably around 90 millimeters. And for the Y, you're going to do 52 millimeters. But again, just judge it off of your own width and height. Click Confirm and let Beam Studio think. Once it's done with the array, you can see that some of our cards will not fit on the honeycomb. Just select the cards that you don't need and delete them. Now, let's go on and move this to the center of the platform, and let's do us a camera preview. Our Beambox Pro has little pegs that let us know where to align the piece of acrylic. This is for mass production. So all what we need to do is find the 4 corners of the acrylic, and then we can align all the cards to that piece. Now that we've found all the 4 corners, we can exit the camera preview, select everything, and move it to one of the top corners. It doesn't have to be exactly at the corner, but the more you can get to it, the better. Always leave a couple millimeters from each corner in case the camera preview is incorrect. It will be fine. Now, we can actually put in 3 more cards, so let's copy these, paste them, and rotate them by 90 degrees. Let's drag one down here, drag another up here, and drag the middle one to the middle. We can align these further so they aren't overlapping the other cards. And now with everything aligned, hit go. So you can see it'll take 4 hours for this entire sheet of cards to be produced. This is around 32 cards. When you're happy with that, click Start. Or if you would like to have it done quicker, go back to your document settings and lower the DPI to medium. If you want ultra high DPI, it will increase the time by about 30%. And that's how you make a business card out of acrylic using the Flux Beambox Pro. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our other videos, and be sure to come back when we post new ones.